Welcome to the CG Cup Masterclass with Lucas Cuenca.
Hello. I work as a designer and a production artist. Let's say we need to do a creature for Venom or Dune. This one here.
Yeah.
I will help design the creature, make the production model. When I finish that, I will help in shots.
That's a lot. Let's get to the randomizer. I really want to see how you tackle that one. 200-meter long monster made of garbage and waste covered in oil slick.
Let's go for it. Let's see. That's very weird. What I'm doing is that I'm making a lot of details, trying to integrate what is going to be the tentacles with the body and the armor. I use all the brushes, but this one, a brush that I use especially. And that's super sharp. That's the test with the skull, right? And some extra details, some extra surface that says the idea that he's an alien, right?
Nice.